In the 1930s, amidst the economic turmoil of the Great Depression, New York's elite sought solace and escape in exclusive leisure pursuits. From serene swimming pools to lush golf clubs, the wealthy residents of the city indulged in opulent lifestyles that offered respite from the challenges of the era. For the wealthy residents of New York in the 1930s, golf clubs provided a sanctuary of tranquility amidst the bustling city life. Exclusive establishments offered meticulously manicured courses set amidst verdant landscapes, where members could escape for leisurely rounds of golf and socializing. Despite the economic hardships of the Great Depression, the elite continued to maintain their extravagant lifestyles, hosting elaborate soirees and attending glamorous galas that showcased their wealth and social standing.